Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals. Are you ready, toddlers? Do you want to learn animal names? Let's start. The first one is a panda. This is a panda. P is for panda. This is a dog. D is for dog. This is a lion. L is for lion. This is elephant. E is for elephant. This is hen. H is for hen. This is hippopotamus. H is for hippo. This is a cheetah. C is for cheetah. This is a cow.